Hi, Janet Paula here with Century 21 Affiliated, and today I'm here with Josh High with Swift Home Mortgage once again. And today I want to discuss a few things with you that I think Josh should really touch on. As you know, I am a Realogy Military Rewards agent, and I feel there are a lot of benefits financing through the VA. And I also feel, there were some high rates going out the last couple of years, and Josh is able to go ahead and bring those rates down for you. But I'll just let him take it away and discuss how to do that.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Janet. So as you probably know, if you've already done a VA loan in the past, that you've already gotten a pretty competitive rate when it comes to the rest of the market, conventional and other loan types. So VA is my absolute favorite loan to do, and they have what's called an interest rate reduction loan. And what this does, it's a streamlined refinance, no documentation. We don't need an appraisal. We don't need income verification, employment verification, assets, none of that stuff. We don't need any of it. All it is a basic rate reset through the VA, and that's it. So in some recent examples, we just did a house in Fishhawk here for a retired veteran couple. Their balance was about $450,000. Their rate before was 4.25, so 4.25. Not a terrible rate to begin with, but we were able to get that down to 2.875. That's a huge difference to them in payment. Their payment went from $2,261 to $1,891, and that's a savings of $370 a month. Now, there are some closing costs involved in it. It's never going to be free. There's going to be lender's title insurance. There's going to be a closing fee at the title company. Escrow account's going to have to be reset. But when you look at that $370 savings over the course of time, the interest paid on that adds up to be a massive amount of money. So anything you can ever do to lower your interest rate, especially by that much, is great. So we're doing a whole bunch of these recently. We have a lot of VA past clients, and about half of them have been in here in our system to see what they can do and how much they can save. So Janet, she's done a lot with VA clients through all the networks that she's in, and we've done a lot of those already, but it's really worth it to take a look at this and just see. If it doesn't make sense, I'll tell you. If it makes sense, we can plug you in and get started and have this whole process wrapped up in about 3 days. Nothing out of pocket for you. It's just a really kind of a no-brainer type refi scenario, and anybody can benefit from it if you have this qualification and this eligibility through the VA. So never hurts to look, to just ask and see what you can do about it. I'd be happy to help you and show you. If you need to get a hold of us to talk about this, you can just apply straight out online without even talking to us at swifthomemortgage.com. You can call me at 813-606-4255 or just email me, josh@swifthm.com. I just need your mortgage statement from your most recent statement that you received, and I need an estimate of your credit score, and then we'll see what we can put together. And if we come to a good deal, we'll go a little further, but that's kind of like your bare necessities to get started.
Exactly. So. And actually, I know for a fact that you have saved people a lot of money. You showed me several different scenarios, saving on average around $300 a month. I know I pulled up a couple of my past customers with you, and we saw that we could save them roughly right around $200, maybe $150 a month.
Right. It depends on where your current rate is and what your loan size is. Everybody's a little different, but if you can go from the 4s to the 2s or the 5s to the 3s or whatever else, if you can knock at least a point off your interest rate, the savings add up like in no time.
It's kind of a no-brainer. All right. Well, thank you so much, Josh. I appreciate all your time once again.
All right. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.